Hi students, welcome to the Key Point series by Ishwaran. So myself Ishwaran, faculty IDJ Mathematics for a long time. So before you people start seeing this particular video, let me make it very clear, this is not a class. It's only a conversation between a student who knows probability, if not very well, they know probability, they have done it once in class 11th or 12th. Even 11th class students can attend it, nothing wrong. But they should have finished that particular portion because it's a general topic, right? And at the same time, it is not only for probability, it's for many topics. The first topic is probability. It's a very, it's like once you complete that particular topic and you have a hand on it, sometime one question comes, you feel that something is missing. So as per my experience of the last 2 decades, coaching, mentoring and teaching students for a long time, I felt that these are the points usually an average, a good or a extraordinary, brilliant student in JEE misses, right? So first topic is probability, and I hope that in the coming topics or the coming, because there are two, I'm not going to take a long class. This probability first, you see, is rule number 1. So I have a certain set of rules. So for probability, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, I'll try to finish. After that, we'll go next topic. And I feel that this will try to fill all the gaps that you people feel while attempting a question, right? यहीं पे गलती करते हैं आप लोग. This is where you people make the mistakes, right? So rule number 1 in probability. In probability, many people asked me when I was starting this, why probability is the first topic. This is a rank producing topic. Sometimes students feel that they know the topic. I'm talking about a student that finished the topic. They know the topic, but sometimes they're not able to get the logic well. Logic well, for probability, make sure you have to understand the grammar very well. Probability starts with grammar. If you know that particular what he's asking, easy, because permutation or probability, right? So, understand the topic well. I'm in love with probability for almost 2.5 decades now, 25 years since I finished my, So, let us come back to the topic. Probability doesn't depend if the things involved are similar or different. It is strange. We know, but sometimes we forget. Suppose take an example of a permutation. When we take an example of a permutation, if I say that how many ways you can permute 4 red balls, no, it's not 4 factorial. First you have to ask me, sir, whether the balls are similar or the balls are different. If the balls are similar, obvious, there is only one way. 4 ka 4 ka ek hi baar na. If the balls are different, definitely there are how many ways? Yes, 4 factorial ways. So there is a hell of a lot of difference in arrangement when we talk about permutation, right? But when we talk about probability, arrangements in probability, whether the things are similar or the things are different, I'm telling you kids, it is not going to change. Let us take a small example. You have 3 white ball and 3 black ball. Dobara. You have 3 white ball, 3 black ball. Now tell me how many ways you can select the black ball. What is the probability of selecting 1 black ball? 3 white, 3 black. What is the probability of selecting 1 black ball? So 3C1 by 6C1. So 3 by 6, answer is half. Correct na? You didn't ask me whether the balls are similar or different. Is 3 different white balls, 3 different black balls, then also it is going to be same. Now check. If it is 3 white ball, 4 black ball, black probability increases 4 by 7. 3 white ball, 5 black ball, probability is going to increase for black ball. Obvious for white will be decreasing. So make sure probability doesn't depend upon whether the things are similar, different, or how many things are similar or how many things are different. उस पर depend नहीं करता है. कितना दिखता है. Probability में जितना दिखता है उतना ज़्यादा probability दिखता है तो बिकता है. Concept है ना? वही concept probability में है. It is a volume game. It is not a game of similar or different. If the volume is bigger, probability will be more. If the volume is smaller, probability is going to be less. For this, we are going to take one example, right? That means I'm trying to say whether the things involved are similar or the things involved are different, probability is going to be same, right? Let us take an example. Suppose you have 5 red and 3 green balls. You have 5 red and 3 green balls. And I say these red and green balls are arranged in a row. In a row. एक लाइन में एक रो में इसको अरेंज किया गया है, right? So find the probability that red balls are always together. Find the probability that the red balls are always together. मैंने केस दिया है red balls are always together. You can take any other case. Balls of same color are always together, or no two red balls are together. कोई भी केस दे सकते हो, right? तो ये है आपका क्वेश्चन. Now in this question I never gave you whether the balls of same color are similar or balls of same. That means there are 5 different red balls and 3 different green balls, or there are 5 similar red balls or 3 similar green balls. मैंने नहीं दिया. Balls similar है, different है, I didn't give. So what I'm going to say here for solution, I'm going to take 2 cases. एक बार I'll assume that the balls of same color are similar. I'll find the probability. And next I'll take the balls of same color are different. So यहां पे हम लेते हैं case A, right? यहां पे हम लेते हैं case B, and I'll prove that both the case will give you equal answer. What is case A? Balls of same color are similar. नहीं समझ में आया गधों? Right. Balls of same color are similar. मतलब एक जैसे हैं. 5 similar red balls, 3 similar green balls. Case B. Balls of same color are different. समझ में आया? So ये केस है, केस B. I'll prove that आप किसी भी तरह से करोगे आंसर सेम आएगा. इसको दिमाग में रखना, बहुत प्यारी प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? सो कई बार सम आसान हो जाता है. सम विल बी इजियर यूजिंग दिस. दे आर गिविंग डिफरेंट, यू टेक सिमिलर एंड डू इट, राइट? सो balls of same color are similar. So what do you have? You have 5 similar red balls and you have 3 similar green balls. यहां पे क्या है? 5 different red balls. Difference you'll understand. 3 different green balls, right? Now he's saying that balls of same color are similar. So now what we will do, for what probability we need to find that red balls are, first they be arranged in a row. So tell me what is total number of cases to arrange in a row. NT का मतलब है number of total cases arranged in a row. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. बच्चे राजा 8 factorial divide by, ये similar है, 5 factorial similar, 3 factorial. Fine. Now tell me what is number of favorable cases. What are the number of favorable cases? Now he's saying probability of red balls are always together. Red balls are always together means red balls should be together. हमने शादी कर दी, we married all the red balls. They won't move. आपने ऐसे कर दिया, 5 red ball are tight. ऐसे है. Now this is one entity. This second, this third, this fourth. Now if after binding them, if I rotate, it is not going to change. Red balls are always together, right? 1 2 3 4. So 4 factorial. Right? But in this 4 factorial, you are not permuting them. Fine, they are similar. These 3 have been permuted. ये same है ना? Divide by 3 factorial. So what is probability? We all know probability of favorable cases. Number of favorable cases by number of total cases. So it is 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Divide by तो multiply हो जाएगा. ये by ये. So it is 5 factorial, 3 factorial by 8 factorial. Right? ये से cancel तो बचेगा 5 factorial, 4 factorial by 8 factorial. This is a probability. Right? Simple है. Not difficult. Right? Fine now? Let us go for second. ये है case B. Case B, what I took the assumption, balls of same color are different. If balls of same color are different, now tell me what is total number of cases? What is total number of cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number is, anyway you can arrange them in a row. So answer is 8 factorial. What is favorable cases? Favorable means when red balls are always together. Yeah, red balls are always together. So we have, this is one entity, same concept. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 factorial, right? But in this 4, they are rotating, but these can also rotate. Now they are different. Here they were similar. Now they are different. How many? 5. 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Now what is probability of favorable case? This by this. So it is 4 factorial into 5 factorial by 8 factorial. Alright? Both are same. Where the difference is? Whether the balls are similar, then also probability is same. Whether the balls are different, then also probability is same. Only thing is, in favorable case, we took similar. In total case, we took similar. In favorable case, we took different. In total case, we took them different. So it is, if we are taking different in numerator, different in denominator, similar in numerator, similar in denominator. That is what the entire probability game is. So this is rule number 1. Probability doesn't depend in arrangements or in selection, whether probability, right? The things involved are similar or different. So hope all of you enjoyed it. Hope all of you understood it. I'll meet you again in my next rule number 2 of probability for JEE 2020, right? See you all. Bye-bye. Take care.